Welcome back, family. In today's video, I have one hot opportunity to share with you that is seriously heating up. Before I begin, do me a favor, be sure to smash that like button. It only takes a few seconds and I really would appreciate it. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new so you don't miss out on future videos. Keep in mind, this is not financial advice videos, only for entertainment purposes. Now, let's get right into it, guys. So the company I'm referring to is Therapeutics, Inc. And you can find this company trading on the NASDAQ under ticker symbol GANX. Before I break down why I think this company could be on the verge of a potential breakout, do yourself a favor, pause this video and add this one to your watch list. So Therapeutics is unfolding the next generation of allosteric small molecule therapies to meet patient needs. Combining physics-based methods with artificial intelligence, Gain is developing the best-in-class small molecules for disorders with high unmet medical need. Now, Gain's lead drug candidate GT-02287 is a best-in-class small molecule for the treatment of GBA-Parkinson's disease and other neurodegenerative diseases. GT-02287 is currently being evaluated in a phase 1 clinical study. Now, this company has a drug discovery platform called Magellan. By leveraging AI-supported 3D structural biology and supercomputer-powered proprietary physics-based models, Gain's Magellan platform is able to identify novel allosteric binding sites on disease-implicated proteins and exploit their untapped opportunities by pinpointing pockets that cannot be found or drugged with current technologies. Furthermore, their next generation allosteric small molecule therapeutics can modulate a protein to restore or disrupt function, not just through inhibition or activation, but also through stabilization, destabilization, and degradation based on disease pathology. Now, guys, here's a look at their current drug pipeline. As you can see, they are making a ton of progress on various treatments, and they have a lot of different assets used to treat a lot of different diseases like Parkinson's disease, dementia with Lewy bodies, Alzheimer's disease, metabolic diseases, and much more. And some of these are also already on phase 1, like the GT-02287, which is making tremendous progress. So there's a lot to like about this company, and they have a lot of potential in my opinion. This is another reason why I wanted to bring this company to your attention as early as possible. Here's a catalyst to look out for. So Gain is conducting a phase 1B clinical trial of GT-02287 in people with GBA1 and idiopathic Parkinson's disease. Interim data from the phase 1B clinical trial is expected mid-2025. So that is coming up very soon. Furthermore, here's a look at Parkinson's disease market opportunity. As you can see, the US market potential is $4 billion. Parkinson's disease is the second most common neurodegenerative disease. Current therapies only treat symptoms and do not prevent disease progression. Furthermore, the GBA1 Parkinson's disease has a US market potential of $3 billion. Genetically defined subpopulation of Parkinson's disease, it is a large genetic risk factor for development of Parkinson's disease. GBA1 mutations cause misfolding of an important enzyme, which is called GCase. So overall, guys, this is a huge market opportunity, and that is why Gain Therapeutics Inc. could be well positioned to take advantage of that potential. Now, take a look at this. GT-02287 has best-in-class profile for GBA1 Parkinson's disease. When compared to its competitors, GT-02287 is actually able to reduce ER stress, improves mitochondrial function, and reduces neuroinflammation. It also has other benefits as well, as you can see from this chart. Now, in my opinion, guys, the fact that they are making so much progress with GT-02287, I do think it looks like it's going to be very promising as we get more and more results from the trials in the upcoming months. Lastly, I do want to emphasize that there is large market potential for GT-02287 for various neurodegenerative diseases. As you can see, guys, GBA1 Parkinson's disease, the number of patients in the US is 150,000. For idiopathic Parkinson's disease, there's over 1 million number of patients in the US. And then for dementia with Lewy bodies, there's over 1 million patients. And then for Alzheimer's disease, there's 5.8 million patients in the US. So there's definitely a large market potential for GT-02287 based on these numbers. Now guys, let's go over the major news that just dropped. So on March 14, 2025, Gain Therapeutics Inc. announced the dosing of the first participant with Parkinson's disease in the Phase 1b clinical trial of GT-02287. The Phase 1b open-label multi-center trial is designed to evaluate the safety and tolerability of GT-02287 in people with GBA-1 PD and idiopathic PD. The trial will enroll up to 20 participants who will receive GT-02287 daily for 3 months. Now, the interim data from the Phase 1b trial are anticipated at the end of second quarter 2025. The Phase 1b trial follows Gain's successful Phase 1 study in healthy volunteers completed during quarter 3 2024, in which GT-02287 demonstrated a favorable safety and tolerability profile, as well as plasma and CNS exposures in the projected therapeutic range. Furthermore, Gene Mack, president and CEO of Gain Therapeutics, stated, "Initiation of dosing in our Phase 1b clinical trial represents an important step in the clinical development of GT-02287 and in Gain's mission to deliver a disease-modifying therapy to people with Parkinson's disease. We look forward to continued enrollment and anticipate an interim analysis towards the second quarter of 2025. So overall, guys, this is fantastic news for Gain Therapeutics Inc. As you can see, they are making some really strong progress when it comes to the development of their GT-02287. Now guys, let's turn our attention to the stock chart. I think the current level the stock is trading at is very tempting. In my humble opinion, I think there could be some serious potential here, and it could be worth researching as soon as possible. So if you haven't done so already, guys, add Gain Therapeutics Inc. to your watch list immediately. Once again, here is the ticker symbol. I will have some links in the video description if you want to learn more about this exciting opportunity. With that said, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that like button and also consider hitting that subscribe button if you're new so you don't miss out on future videos. Keep in mind, this is not financial advice. Videos only for entertainment purposes.